In this video, we will look at a really important idea called the order of operations. So let's start with the problem. Julie, Emily and Maya evaluated this expression 3 plus 5 times 4 minus 2. And the way Julie did this problem, so let me write her name. 3 plus 5 times 4 minus 2. She decided to first do 3 plus 5. And so she got 8 and then times 4 minus 2. She then decided to do 8 times 4 and got 32 minus 2 and finally got an answer of 30. Now the way Emily did it was completely different. So she started with 3 plus 5 times 4 minus 2, just like Julie did. But Julie started solving her problem from the left side, while Emily started solving her problem from the right side. So Emily first did 4 minus 2, and she got 3 plus 5 times 2, because 4 minus 2 is 2. She then decided to do 5 times 2, which is 10. So she had 3 plus 10 and she got an answer of 13. And Maya said to them, "You have both not followed the order of operations. The order of operation tells you in which order you should perform each operation. So here is the order of operations. When you're given an expression, the first thing that you will do is to evaluate what is inside the parentheses. So these are the parentheses, and the first step you will take is to evaluate what is inside the parentheses. The second step is to compute the exponents. So exponents are like 3 square, 4 cube. So as a second step, you will compute the exponents. Next, you will perform multiplication and division. And the order in which you will do multiplication and division is from left to right. And lastly, you will do addition and subtraction. And again, the order in which you will do addition and subtraction is from left to right. Now let's evaluate the same expression using the order of operations. So here are the order of operations, and this is what Julie did, and this is what Emily did. And now this is what Maya did as she followed the order of operations. So she started out with 3 plus 5 times 4 minus 2. And there are no parentheses and there are no exponents, but there is a multiplication. So she decided to do 5 times 4 first. And she got 3 plus 20 minus 2. Now there is only addition and subtraction, so she did it from left to right. So the first thing she did was 3 plus 20, and that is 23 minus 2, and she got an answer of 21. The reason mathematicians came up with an order of operations is so that people wouldn't have the same kind of problem that Julie, Emily and Maya did, and so that everybody would follow the same order in performing operations. One way to remember the order of operations is by using mnemonics, which means you take the first letter of every word. So P for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, and these two go together, A for addition and S for subtraction. And if you put them together, you have PEM, DAS, and you remember this as PEMDAS. Let's evaluate another expression using the order of operations. So here is the expression 9 divided by, in parentheses, 11 minus 4 times 2 minus 4 divided by 2 plus 2. So the first thing we look for is parentheses. And we have parentheses here, 11 minus 4 times 2. Now an important thing to remember is that even within the parentheses, we again have to follow the order of operations, which means we have to do this multiplication before we do the subtraction. So we have 9 divided by 11 minus 4 times 2 is 8 minus 4 divided by 2 plus 2. Now let's figure out what is 11 minus 8, which is within the parentheses. So we have 9 divided by 3 minus 4 divided by 2 plus 2. So we have evaluated what is within the parentheses. We don't have any exponents. Then let's do multiplication and division from left to right. So if we look from left to right, we see a division here. So let's do that first. So we have 3, because 9 divided by 3 is 3, minus 4 divided by 2 plus 2. The next thing that we will do is 4 divided by 2. So this is 3 minus 4 divided by 2 is 2 plus 2. Now we have only addition and subtraction left. So we have finished with multiplication and division, and we are now going to do addition and subtraction, again from left to right. So the first thing we will do is 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1, and this plus 2. And our final answer is equal to 3. In this video, we have looked at parentheses, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. We will look at exponents and negative numbers as part of order of operations in some other videos.